Hello friend, I am Abhishek Zamdade. Today we are discuss about urinary system, parts of urinary system and their function. Kidney. There are a pair of kidney that are purplish brown and are located below the ribs in the middle of the back. Their function is to remove waste from the blood in the form of urine, keep substances stable in the blood, make erythropoietin, a hormone which helps make red blood cell, make vitamin D, regulate blood pressure, to uterus. Each kidney has a narrow tube called ureter, which carries urine from the kidney to the bladder. Muscle in the ureter walls tighten and relax, forcing urine down this tube, away from the kidneys. If urine backups or stands still, the kidney infection can develop. About every 10 to 15 seconds, urine is emptied into bladder from the ureter. Bladder. The bladder is a triangular shaped hollow organ located in the lower abdomen. It is held in the place by ligaments attached to the pelvic bones. The bladder wall relax and expand to store urine and contract and flatten to empty urine through urethra. Two sphincter muscles. Circular muscle that help keep urine from leaking by closing tightly like a rubber band around the opening of the bladder. Nerves. The nerves alert a person when it is time to urinate or empty the bladder. Urethra. The tube that allows urine to pass outside the body. The brain signal the bladder muscle to tighten, which squeezes urine out of the bladder. At the same time, the brain signal the sphincter muscle to relax to let urine exit the bladder through urethra. Physiology of urine formation. Glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption and tubular secretion. Glomerular filtration, water and solutes smaller than proteins are forced through the capillary walls and pores of the glomerular capsule into the renal tubule. The fluid filtered through the glomeruli to the Bowman's capsule is about 120 ml per minute. Tubular reabsorption occurs both passive and actively. Glucose, amino acids, and other needed ions are transported out the filtrate into the peritubular capillaries. They are reabsorbed back into the blood. About 65% of filtrate is reabsorbed in the proximal convolutory tubule. Tubular secretion, waste products such as urea and uric acid, drugs and hydrogen and bicarbonate ions are moved out of the peritubular capillaries into the filtrate. This removes unwanted waste and helps to regular pH.